Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlineJobs.ph, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you post a job or recruit someone on OnlineJobs.ph? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to post a job to OnlineJobs.ph anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of virtual assistants, and OnlineJobs.ph is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your OnlineJobs.ph account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know that if you're going to be posting a job to OnlineJobs.ph, it's free to post it. However, you're not going to be able to hire anybody unless you have one of the paid plans. If you need help determining if you want to sign up for OnlineJobs.ph, go back and watch my other video that reviews the entire process of OnlineJobs.ph. They offer a couple of different paid plans. It's starting at $69 per month. If you're like me, you just signed up for the year is $300, and you can hire and post as many jobs as you want throughout the year. So once you have the paid plan, or even if the free plan, you can still post a job. You just won't be able to respond. What you want to do is click right here, post a job. Okay, next you get to the post a job section. So it's actually pretty easy to set up a job post in OnlineJobs.ph. It's about as simple as setting up a Craigslist post, if you remember that. So basically you want to go ahead and just type in a job title. So this is all keyword search related. So the virtual assistants on this website can go ahead and search the jobs based off of keyword. So whatever it is that you're looking for, you definitely want to add the keyword in here. So maybe if you're looking for a video editor, you might want to be a little bit more specific and just put in YouTube video editor with iMovie. Because if not, then there might be a video editor for TikTok, or they might not be using the same service that you're used to using. So for me, like iMovie. Next, you want to go ahead and choose type of employment. So full-time, part-time, or gig. So you can hire somebody on part-time, and then in the description, you can put 5 hours per week, 4 hours per week, because some of the folks have other jobs, so they don't have enough time to get hired on full-time. Or maybe sometimes if it's something like a WordPress website, they prefer to work by gigs. So just choose whichever one you're looking for. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and put part-time. And then in the description, you want to be as descriptive as possible. Again, this is going to come up on the search when they're searching for jobs. So if you're looking for a video editor for YouTube, you definitely want to write that in. So usually what I'll do is copy this and paste it in, and then give a good description on what you're looking for. Okay, so I wrote up a brief description. Now, if you want, you can ask ChatGPT to help you come up with this. Just make sure that you tell ChatGPT the key points that you want in this job description. Next, you want to go ahead and put in how much you're willing to pay per month. So just put 500, and then you want to choose how many hours. Let's just say 10 hours per week. And then you can put in your email. So generally when they are going to respond to your job post on OnlineJobs.ph, it's going to go through the messaging system. However, whatever email you put here, that user will have access to that email. So make sure that you have an email that you don't mind them having. I had one of the applicants call me on FaceTime with a video call at 11 o'clock at night, which was kind of weird because my email that I had here was attached to my iPhone. All right, next I want to go ahead and scroll down and then add in some skills. So let's say YouTube for this one, and video editing, and we'll do editing again. Okay, so you want to add up to 3. And then here, how do you want to be notified? For me, I usually put this right here, send no applications to my email address. If you put this right here, you're going to get notifications all day long because there's so many applicants on OnlineJobs.ph, your inbox will be flooded. And then next, what you want to do is go ahead and just click on post job. Okay, next you see the job has posted. Now we can go here to view it. Okay, so here's what the job looks like. This is the view from the employee side. So let me go back and pause this because I'm not actually looking for somebody. All right, so there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to post a job on OnlineJobs.ph, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.